Elevated fire danger this afternoon. Strong winds from the west-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour. Dry surface vegetation and low relative humidity below 25% will lead to elevated fire danger through this evening. The areas affected include across all of central Iowa. When, now through 8 p.m. this evening. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that ignite will spread rapidly and may be difficult to control. Preparedness and precautionary actions. Burning is discouraged under these conditions. Also, take care to prevent the start of accidental fires when smoking or operating vehicles around dry vegetation. Now here